The trucks that will be registered with the Mines Department before 15 December will be allowed legally for mining transportation. BJP President Vinay Tendulkar has made this clear to the Truck Owners Association. South Goa Progressive Truck Owners Association handed over a memorandum to the BJP and the Congress state presidents on Wednesday. Chairman of Law Commission Narendra Savoykar has blamed Union Environment Ministry for suspending environmental clearances in Goa.
ईसी क्लियरन्सीस त्यांनी खरें म्हणजे सस्पेंड खरें म्हणजे चूक त्यांची आसा. ईसी क्लियरन्स सस्पेंड करपाचें न्ही. सगळें जरी जालें जाल्या उपरांत सुद्दां ईसी क्लियरन्स जो मेरेन मेळना तो पर्यंत हें चालू जावपाक शकना. आतां ईसी क्लियरन्स कोणा कडेन आसा? ईसी क्लियरन्स आसा सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन, एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री कडेन. म्हजें मत अजूनय हें आसा की दुसरे दिसा येवन ईसी क्लियरन्स सस्पेंड कित्याक करपाक जाय आशिल्ली आनी हेजे खातीर बरें आमी आतां बफर झोन 1 किलोमिटर मागलो. एफिडेवीट आमी फायल केल्ले आसा. 1 किलोमिटर बफर झोन मागलो गव्हर्मेंटान. कितें त्यांनी 10 किलोमिटर मागला. एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्रीन 10 किलोमिटर मागला.
साधारण 6.5 ते 7,000 रजिस्टर जाल्ले आसा की 15 तारीख पर्यंतची डेडलायन आसा. ते जातकूच मागीर सरकारान सांगलां की जानेवारी आमी हेका सपोर्ट करतले म्हणजे ट्रक ओनरांक. जे 8,000 रजिस्टर जाले 15 तारीख पर्यंत गोंयांत समज मायन चालू जाल्यो जाल्यार ह्याच ट्रकांक पयली प्रिफरन्स दिवप ऑपरेट करपा खातीर.
म्हजे कडल्यान जितले म्हण एफर्ट्स आसात प्रयत्न जातले. कोणा मेळपाक जाय आनी कोणा मेळपाक जाय लिडरान दिल्लीक मेळपाक जाय सांगपाक जाय. हांव सांगून ते तितली बेगीन आमकां सुटाव करून दिवपाक पडटा. इतली तुमी खात्री बाळगियात.
South Goa Progressive Truck Owners Association members shouted slogans and demanded that legal mining should resume at the earliest.
सीएमान आमकां सांगलेलें की दिवाळी जावन आपूण ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन घेवन दिल्ली वयतलो आनी आमच्या प्रश्नाचेर कितें तरी तोडगो काडटलो म्हणून. पूण दिवाळी जावन आतां क्रिसमस जायत येयलो, आजून ऑल पार्टी डेलिगेशन गेल्लें ना. म्हणून आयज आमी दोनी पार्टी प्रेजिडेंट बीजेपी तसोच काँग्रेस पार्टीच्या मेळपाचें अशें ठरयलां.
जर लिगल मायनी जर तर चालू करा, लिगल इल्लिगल आमकां कांय खबर ना. आमचें काम फक्त ट्रकां भितर घालून व्हरपाचें. आमकां टपाल मेळटा, कायदेशीर कंप्युटरायज प्रिंट आउट जी मेळटा ती स्लीप व्हरून फ्रॉम हियर टू द डेस्टिनेशन टू द सोर्स आमी तितले करताले. आमकां इल्लिगल बिगल आमकां कांयच खबर नाशिल्लें. हे जे इल्लिगल जे कोण केला ते सरकारी अधिकारी जे आसात तांकां पनिशमेंट पडपाक जाय. आनी जे कोण सरकारी जे लेजिस्लेटिव्ह मेंबर आशिल्ले, जे कोण तांकां परमिशन दिलें, मायन मिनिस्टर जे कोण आशिल्ले तांकां जर कोण परमिशन दिली, इलिगॅलिटीज आशिल्ली तांकां लिगली सारकें आसा म्हणून जे परमिशन दिलें तांकां पनिशमेंट दिवपाक जाय. आमकां न्ही. आमी घाम गाळून पोट भरतात आनी आमकां पनिशमेंट दिवपाक जायना.
Reporter Vivek Prabhu for Prudent. Porvorim MLA Rohan Kaunte has revealed that casino industry in Goa has terminated Goans from services and have replaced non-Goans. He warned employers to take back terminated employees within 4 days. Nearly 8 employees were terminated by a casino company based in Porvorim. Kaunte gave an ultimatum of 4 days to the company. MLA Rohan Kaunte has appealed Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to intervene in the matter and to take appropriate action against the casino company.
And over the last 6-7 months, they have been ideally terminating गोंयकारांक. कोणाक useless म्हणटा, कोणाक गाळ्यो घालता, कोणाक physically assault जाल्लो आसता. And once they are complaining in the police station, I have copies of complaints also in the police station. But somehow they have been taken care on outside settlements. So I want to pass a clear warning to this particular casinos to either start behaving on their things in a proper manner, take care of our goans, or we will be forced to take and do the act as what we feel is right. And they will have to bear the consequences. I similarly urge upon the government to kindly look into this particular issues of casinos and revert back on what action they are taking rather than keeping a blind eye to these particular facts.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Goa Arts and Literary Festival 2012 will kick-start from 14th December. A 3-day fest will go on till 16th December. Eminent writers Mridula Garg and Eunice D'Souza will inaugurate the fest at Kala Academy on 13th. This year's fest will focus on Kashmiri art and literature. Kashmiri format of Shakespeare's King Lear will be presented at the fest.
We had said that we have a large Kashmir component this time in our festival. We are showcasing Kashmir in a large way. We've got at least 25 participants who have come down from Kashmir. There is like the way you have theatre over here, you have there is in Bengal you have the jatras. There is a bhand performance which happens in Kashmir. where you have a whole lot of these people coming on stage in masks and different things, performing, you know.
This year our stress is on focusing Kashmiri literature, art and literature, both performances also, and the writers from Kashmir. And we are very happy that Kashmiri writers are turning up in large number.
Goan eminent writers Damodar Mauzo, Nagesh Sardesai, Victor Rangel Ribeiro, Maria Arura Kuto, Pundalik Nayak and fashion designer Wendell Rodrigues will participate in the fest. Festival is loaded with panel discussions, book launches, theatre workshops, seminars, performances and other programs. Third edition of annual Goa Arts and Literary Festival will commence through formal inauguration on 13 December at Kala Academy. Omkar Farari for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.